Coming at you from St. John Arena here in Columbus, Ohio. Welcome to the 2014 EAS Sports Nutrition NWCA Division I National Duels. From theopenmat.com, I'm Jason Bryant here with you on this presentation of Fox College Sports and College Wrestling. We're in here at 125 pounds. This is the third place duel between the host Buckeyes of Ohio State, coming in ranked 13th in the nation, and the 11th ranked Oklahoma Sooners. Oklahoma coming in 11-4. Ohio State 11-5. You're taking a look at Nick Roberts. He is there in the green anklet with the silver singlet for Ohio State, taking on a true freshman, Sean Williams of Oklahoma. Williams, a California native, pushed into action this weekend due to the injury to All-American Jared Patterson. Williams out of Tulare, California. Coach Mark Cody was expecting to redshirt Williams this year because they did have returning All-American. Now Williams trying to work in on a big shot. Roberts, past junior world team member out of Hooversville, Pennsylvania State champion out of North Star High School. And he will strike first with the go-behind on the takedowns. Got the arm trapped, reaching for the wrist. Yeah, Roberts pretty tough on top. So a 2-0 lead for Nick Roberts. Now trying to work that bar over, and Williams is going to come around, try to finish the reversal, and does so. So Sean Williams tying things up, 2-2. Riding time now coming back down. Again, 3-minute first period, 2-minute second and third periods. You'll see a riding time clock on your screen. And when that gets over a minute and the match is over, the wrestler with at least 1 minute of advantage time will receive an extra point at the end of the bout. Something, again, different between high school and collegiate wrestling. Again, this is the third place bout. As Minnesota and Cornell are tangling for the championship. Minnesota beat Ohio State in the semifinals, while Cornell got past Oklahoma 23-20. That was a match you'll see on Fox College Sports if you haven't seen it already. 3-2 after the escape by Roberts. You're at 125 pounds, our first weight of 10. Going up on short time, 5 seconds remain. And we will end the period with Roberts holding a 3-2 lead, and he has choice. Actually, Williams has choice. He will defer. Roberts will take the down position, start the second period. Point escape for Roberts, now going to extend his lead now to 4-2 over Williams, a state runner-up last year while as a high school senior at Lemoore High School. "30 seconds gone by here in the second period. Again, Roberts in the scarlet and silver for Ohio State. That's the Ohio State University, host of this year's National Duels. This is the consolation final, the third place match. Front headlock now drops down to the knee, and Roberts is going to lock up a cradle. Does he have it quite locked up yet? He's thinking cradle. Now he breaks the lock. It looked like he had it there momentarily. So now after the takedown, now 6-2 lead for Nicky Roberts. Out the 2-on-1 tilt, gonna roll it through. A little hazard tilt, Mason tilt action. Oh, he gets a fall of the tilt. Oh my goodness. You do not see that often, folks. But Nikki Roberts locks up the 2-on-1 tilt, rolls it through, caught Williams sleeping, and that's a big 6 points for Ohio State.